If uric acid levels are too high in your blood, the uric acid crystals can deposit in joints, particularly of the big toe, and cause pain, swelling, and redness. This is a condition known as gout, and there are several risk factors, including diet, weight, certain medications, a family history of gout, and being male. You may be aware that it's often advised to avoid foods that are high in purines, such as red meat and alcohol, in particular beer, in order to decrease the risk for recurrence. But did you know that high fructose corn syrup can also be a contributor to gout? This can be explained largely by genetics. An enzyme called uricase helps our bodies get rid of excess uric acid. However, while all humans have a gene for uricase, the gene doesn't actually function. Instead, some of our gut bacteria make uricase and are able to break down about a third of the uric acid that we ingest through our diet or that our bodies generate daily. The theory behind why our own uricase gene is non-functional has to do with it being a selective advantage for survival during times when food was scarce. Lack of the uricase enzyme allowed uric acid to increase in response to eating fruit and beginning the conversion of fructose, which is a simple sugar, to another compound called fructose 1 phosphate. This process led to storage of fats from ingestion of the fruit, and the fat storage was then a protective mechanism for survival when food supplies were questionable. Unfortunately, today, where food, and particularly highly processed food containing high fructose corn syrup, is readily available to most Americans, the lack of our ability to make the uricase enzyme may be contributing to gout, obesity, and other metabolic changes in response to our overconsumption of these food products. If you needed another reason to eat less processed foods and ensure good gut health, now you have it. This was brought to you by Gene Farmer LLC, where we are about cultivating better health one genome at a time.